So in my previous video, I did an unboxing of the Tapo home camera. So that camera was basically for my indoor recording, and I've set it up in the kitchen, which is quite helpful, and the camera records really good. I'm really enjoying the video quality and of course the output as well, and it's quite easy to use, so that's one thing. But I wanted something for my outdoor recording, and I did some research and I found out that I have two options. I narrowed them down, and one was this Dlink camera, which I've got over here, and the other is the Nest Cam Outdoor. Now, the thing is that with the Nest Cam Outdoor, you need to remember that it's a premium product. Well, the Dlink is also a premium product. They are slightly different in functionality, but the Nest Cam Outdoor, the biggest feature is that it integrates with the Google ecosystem, and whereas the Dlink has its own sort of app which you need to install, and then you can take it from there. Both of the cameras record at 1080p at 30 frames per second, which is good. That's what we need. Dlink's camera has got this 400 lumen spotlight, and apart from that, it works with the Google Assistant and with your Alexa. So if you have an Alexa, show 5 or 8, I think so, yeah, it's called that, and then what you can do is you can ask Alexa that you want to see your outdoor cam, and in that way you can see the video, the live footage from your Alexa device. It'll automatically connect to the Dlink cam. So in this video we will do an unboxing of these two products, and after that we'll see that how easy it is for an individual to use them, plus what sort of video recording do you get from both of the cams. I know that Nest Cam Outdoor would be really good. I'm 100% sure about that, because I have a doorbell as well, and the video recording is very smooth. It's never let me down. Very good product. Don't know about the Nest Cam Outdoor, but maybe it's good. Dlink's product, it's not really publicized that much, but I think it's going to be a good product. And so let's go ahead and unbox them first of all. So let's go ahead and open the box and let's see what comes in the box. The first thing is that in the box you have the camera placed in this shell. It's not very big. This is the size of my hand. You can see you can get a silicone case for it as well if you're going to put it outside. It's your choice, just to make it more discreet. And apart from that, it's got this flat cable, you see, and this cable is on the other end. You have this USB connector, so you get some leaflets in this package. And yes, on the bottom you have the plug and the adapter. So guys, these are the wall plugs. It comes with the screws, and it comes with the magnet on which it's going to mount. So it comes with this power cable. The cable seems to be quite long. I'm not sure how long it is. I think it must be maybe a couple of meters, maybe 3 meters or something like that. And it has this plug. So this is, it says remember to screw in the wall plate before attaching me. So there must be a wall plate to this that you need to first attach it to. Point is that how do you pass this outside? So you can install this piece outdoor or you can install it indoor. It's your choice. So yeah, once when you lock it, you see there's this little gray dot. So it should be aligned with this gray dot. So it's locked then. Now the main problem is that you would have to drill a hole this big so that the cable can be passed through the wall. So definitely you're looking at a very big drill bit which can sort of do this hole so that you can pass the cord, and then you can install this connector, right? Or otherwise this connector can't be taken off, right? So that is it. So guys, next up is our product, which is from Dlink. Okay, so let's go ahead and unbox this. Here we have a quick start guide. But to be honest, packaging doesn't really matter as long as the product has some really quality to perform. and we have a plug. Then you have the camera over here. So that's the camera, and it's got this plastic sheet on the top, so we can just remove that for the time being. Really small. I mean, it's not that big as compared to the Nest Cam. Here we go, that's the Nest Cam. It's got this sort of ball joint which you can, you know, set up the direction as you would want to. So if that's the wall, you can set it up like that. You can change the different positions and angles, and you can even tie it from here. Comes with this cable cord, and on the other side you have the power plug, which you will connect it and then rotate and lock like that. So that gives a proper solid connection. Apart from that, it comes with the UK plug and the EU plug as well, so the US plug, and that's it. Let's check out how they record and how easy it is to set up the app. Now, as we have both of the cameras on, you see the Google Nest has blue light and the Dlink has red light. Now, just to let you know, guys, both of them have speakers on the bottom. As you can see over here, they've got speakers on the bottom, and this one's got a light. As soon as it goes dark, it's just going to switch on the light, and it's got an IR sensor, and it also has a SD card slot, so you can fit in an SD card, whereas Google Nest, you need a subscription. So let's set up the Dlink first of all. So it's the My Dlink app, that's the one. If I click that, that is the app. As soon as it opens up, it says new device found. I'm not sure, maybe it's just picking up from itself very near. So I'll say add my device. Basically, it'll give you the list of your Wi-Fi networks, and all you have to do is select the correct network. So mine is M87, and I'll just put in my password over here. So after you put in your password, it'll just say connecting, so it might take some time to connect, and hopefully then it'll be set up. So guys, as you can see that the Dlink camera has been just set up to my network. So if you're having any problems, just try to reconnect it again. You can change the device name over here. You can put it as set designated contact, but I'm not going to do that. All I need to do is I need to get the camera up and running to actually see how it works. So it's got this new automation rule which is created, and it's got night vision, and it gives you a good guide to let you know that how to mount it, and that is it. So you have plans. If you want to start the free plan, it's $4.99 a month, up to 5 cameras, right? It'll basically store the recording on the cloud, the Dlink cloud. But as we really don't want that, what we can do is we can we can click later. So it says there is a firmware available, so we need to update the firmware, which is really important. While this camera is being updated, let's go ahead and set up the Google Nest Cam. So I'm just going to go into my Nest application. So that is my Nest application which I have. So this is the doorbell which I have at the moment, and you can see that it's very, very smooth to scroll through, and that is what I wanted, and that is why I bought this camera. So I want to see if the Dlink does the same thing. So what we will do is we will go back and we will very simply click that, and all we need is we need to add a new product. So we'll add a new product. It'll say to scan the barcode, so the barcode must be on the rear of this camera. It'll say before make sure you have a Wi-Fi and so on. All we have to do Nest, and you can put driveway and continue, and it's already plugged in, so we go continue, and it says connecting. So let me just put my hand on that because that is quite annoying. So it says connecting, looking for Wi-Fi network, and then it'll find my Wi-Fi network. All I have to do is put in my password for my Wi-Fi network, and hopefully this is going to be connected. So now this is, you see with the Google Nest app, is that you get both of the cameras in the same sort of window, and then you have the heating system, and then you have the smoke alarms. So that is why I wanted to get the Nest Cam outdoor. It was more easier. It's just going to be one product in all. And now you can see the delay as well while I'm talking, and it's got very little delay, and I feel that the video quality is pretty cool. So I'm just doing this recording from the Nest Cam outdoor, and it looks pretty slick. Now let's go into our other Dlink camera, and it still says it's updating. I haven't installed an SD card, but from the recording, I'm feeling that the recording is quite sharp. What I'll do is I will install an SD card and we'll check out the recording. So what I've done is I basically installed an SD card inside the Dlink camera, and I'm going to check out the recording to see how it records. And so let's go inside the Dlink app and see if it's recording or not, because I did put in the SD card. Now the thing is that I'm using 4G. And with 4G, normally cameras are, they do play up sometimes, but this is 4G, so it's connected through 4G. And what I need to do is I need to see if it's recording.
So quickly showing you how it compares both of them side by side. I mean, it's not really a comparison, but I didn't make a full sort of in-depth comparison. But you can see with these shots frozen, that the color quality and the halo is created in one of the cameras because of the field of view. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section below. And guys, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye for now.